For Sybile Art's Penelope version B, special treatment, we start version 1 with electric diamonds sprinkled in the background. For version 2 of this painting, we add snow pearls on code right arrow on the canvas, specifically on the cat that she's holding and also on the right arrow symbols in the background. For version 3 of Penelope, we add bubblegum pearls on her headband and on her jumper, and these will be placed on code @ symbol. So only on the @ symbols on her jumper and on her headband.